today for my crock pot dinner, I am making a crock pot chicken pot pie. I'm trying to make it a little bit on lower carb side, I guess. It's not low carb like keto or anything like that, but a little bit lower carb. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself a substitution for condensed cream of chicken soup. And for that, I need some chicken broth, which I have my own homemade, some milk or cream, so two-thirds of a cup of stock, 2/3 of a cup of milk or cream, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and then some salt and pepper to taste. And then you will need a little bit of flour. You can substitute this, I think, with xanthan gum if you really wanted to make it super low carb. And then I need some butter. Now that the butter is almost melted, I am going to slowly add flour and whisk it. Now I'm going to slowly add my liquid, so my broth and my cream, and whisk while you're adding it. And now I'm going to bring it to a boil, and I'm going to use one-third of a cup of this for my recipe, and the rest I'm going to throw in a freezer. So for the pie, well, for the pot pie, crock pot pie, you will need chicken, some celery, so half a cup of celery, approximately one celery. Is there a rind? Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I will share the recipe. And then some poultry seasoning. I have made my own because I don't typically have poultry seasoning, so I can share that recipe. Just sage, marjoram, thyme, nutmeg, and pepper. Some milk or cream, half an onion, your condensed soup, package of frozen vegetables, and then I am using cauliflower instead of potatoes, and I did mention chicken, right? So I'm gonna put everything into the slow cooker and cook it for, I'll let you know. So here it is, and I put it on for 7.5 hours because that would bring it to the time when we need to eat it. And I can't wait to try it. It is my first time making it, so we'll see how it tastes. I'll let you know what I think. So it is done. I just shredded the chicken, and make sure you taste it because I did have to add a little bit more salt.